ready to ditch those dull banners and create something truly eye-catching. Let's jump into Leonardo AI and craft a killer banner in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Leonardo AI and select the image generation tool from the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Before anything else, let's set our canvas size for a standard banner. Aim for a resolution around 1200 by 400 pixels. Adjust the width and height settings to match your specific needs. This ensures your banner looks crisp on different screens. Now for the heart of the matter, the text prompt be descriptive. For example, type modern marketing banner, vibrant colors, abstract background, call to action text. The more detail you provide, the better Leonardo AI can understand your vision. To refine your image and remove unwanted elements, use the negative prompt feature. This is a handy way to exclude certain aspects from your banner design, for example. Use negative prompts such as text watermark and unrealistic rendering. This allows Leonardo AI to focus on delivering the desired visual elements and overall aesthetic. Spice things up by incorporating visuals. Upload your logo, add some relevant icons, or use stylized text to highlight key messages. Keep the design balanced and easy to read. Once you're happy with your prompt and elements, hit the Generate button and let Leonardo AI work its magic. You'll get a few different versions to choose from. Take your time to explore all the variations before deciding on your final design. Browse through the generated options and select the banner that best fits your vision. Once you've found your perfect banner, simply click the Download button to save it to your computer. That's it, you've just created a stunning banner with Leonardo AI.